Lab 62 asks us to figure out which JavaScript library has vulnerabilities according to retire.js. Since I don't have the retire.js plugin installed in my browser right now, we'll go ahead and find that first. Retire.js comes in a lot of different varieties, but the browser extension is probably one of the easiest ones to use. This browser happens to be Chrome, so we would be looking for the Chrome web store in this case, but that's going to vary by browser, of course. Now that we have the plugin installed in Chrome, we can click on the extensions and enable it. That may or may not be necessary depending on which browser you're using. So we click on retire.js and it's enabled. Let's refresh the page. So we'll just click on the page that we're already on. And we'll see a red exclamation point pop up for retire.js. We click on the icon and it opens up the information, and we see that it found an issue with jQuery. So we select jQuery, hit submit, and that's the correct answer.